how to clean and screen your database before importing it to your cold emailing outreach tool with zero manual work. Let's go. Hi guys, I am WaLead, the founder of WaLead.ai, and in this video we're gonna see how to do that, right? So the first thing is I am here in Smartlead. I want to import my database. You may use Smartlead instantly or other tool, but the thing is I have here my database. I downloaded it from Apollo, and the problem that always happens to me is that there are some leads like 30-40% that are not my ICP. They are just sitting here, and that's a big problem for us because it will land in spam. It will land in it will not be read. It will not have a conversion. Even if we book the meeting, we are not interested in it because it's not our ICP. So it's like a big mess. And actually, Smartlead, Instantly, and all these tools doesn't there is like no really a good tool of screening and filtering this database. So you have two options. First one, trust Apollo or your provider to do it, and the second one, do it manually. And of course, if you are doing a lot of volume, it's impossible to do it manually. And the only verifiers that there are like out there in the market verify the email. But it's like I already know that the email is working, what I want to verify is the rest of the information, is if this guy is my ICP or not. So what you have to do now is you have to go to WaLead.ai, the AI LinkedIn outreach tool. Yeah, I know we will not do a LinkedIn campaign, at least now, but we have to use it anyway. So the first thing is we will import the list to the campaign. It's really easy. You just need to copy the link from here, go to import Google Sheets, click on import, we integrate with Google Sheet, and your campaign gets imported as I have already done it. Here we have all the leads that we get in our campaign. So if we go to the database, there are some problems. For example, some of these leads, I want CMOs from marketing agencies. Some of them are not even CMOs, and some of them are not even a marketing agency. So we have to filter that out. So we will go to the sequence. We will create a new step. We will call it like screener. Yeah, it's our AI screener, and then we will define our ICP. For example, my ICP is a CMO. Perfect. Or similar. Imagine if it is like a senior marketing manager or this kind of stuff. We can also say that, like marketing manager or similar. Perfect. And my ICP is a marketing agency or similar. So for now, that's good for me. Then we can add more advanced stuff. So once I have this, I click on preview, and the screener will screen one of the leads randomly and will tell me. For example, this one, Sandra Gonzalez, it says role is CMO. So the lead title and headline are explicitly CMO. That's perfect. Industry is marketing agency or similar. The company name Fiebre TM, Agencia de Publicidad y Comunicación, explicitly indicates a marketing agency. Yeah, because this is like in Spanish, it's a marketing agency. All right, that's perfect for me. So we can do this like a couple of times, and then we can start thinking about more stuff. Like, for example, this one is discarded because it's basically not a CEO. Perfect. So once we have this, right, then we can add like more advanced stuff. For example, we can say my ICP. Imagine if we wanted, for example, if we wanted to do like a LinkedIn campaign, I will say my ICP has posted or reposted a LinkedIn post in the last for example 30 days, right? In this case, I am doing cold emailing, so I'm not interested, right? But imagine, for example, if I wanted to attack like imagine I am selling a web development to this kind of agencies, right? So I am like specialized in selling WordPress and Webflow services. So I will tell my ICP uses Webflow or WordPress for their website. So now for this, I have to check build with tool. So we have like a lot of tools inside the campaign, inside the screener that you can choose. You don't need to have any kind of account. For example, you can tell the screener to read the last LinkedIn post, or at least see when it was posted. You can check a lot of keywords, volume, traffic distribution, all that from SEMrush. You can also check like the website information, LinkedIn profile staff information, more information, like also domain authority from mods, and also the technologies for build with which we require here, right? So in this case, we'll click on save. We will click on preview again, and then it will run this. This normally takes a little bit longer because it has to check with build with, but it's like 20 seconds or so or less. All right, so this guy is accepted. Amazing. It says role is CMO, but it says headline and custom titles indicate digital marketing consultant and CEO at marketing firm, which aligns with marketing management roles. So it's like this guy, it's CEO, it's a CEO, it's not a CMO, but it says that he's a digital marketing consultant. So we said or similar. So that's why it allowed this one to pass, because if not, it will be discarded. The second thing is industries marketing agency or similar. It says the lead summary describes consultor de tecnología y marketing. Yeah, it's like in Spanish, it's saying marketing digital consultor. So that's why. And also says that the company Urbaniza basically does digital marketing strategies. So it's 100% a marketing agency. And the second thing is the website technology scan confirms use of WordPress and associated plugins like Elementor and WP Bakery. I have no idea what's that, but yeah, so the guy uses WordPress, so it's 100%. All right, so once we have this, what we will do is just launch the campaign, and each campaign in WaLead.ai can process like thousands of leads. Like I think the limit is like 5K daily. So you can process tons and you can create more campaigns to get more volume. Normally, our users, they prospect on LinkedIn, so they use the screeners. So then the ones that are not discarded will continue the sequence, will receive an invitation, then can receive a visit profile, a message, like tons of messages. But in this case, we are focusing on cold emailing. So once we launch this, basically it will start scanning. So I will show you what will happen once it completes the scan. So basically you will go to the leads panel and you will find that a lot of them are discarded here. And once you see if it is discarded, it will tell you the reason. This is a complete different campaign, but you can see the result. It's role is Chief Marketing Officer, not CEO. So depends on your ICP, it will do this kind of stuff. So once you have this, what you have to do is, of course, you will receive an email once the list has been processed. You will go to advanced filters. You will exclude the ones discarded. You will take the whole database here because they will be like the ones that are good. Let's exclude this, take all of them and download. So we have, for out of 100, we have 35 real leads that meet our ICP criteria, and the rest of them are discarded. So once I have here the database, I can just take it and import it to Smartlead, and I will have much better results, right? So yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm pretty sure if you are using Smartlead or Instantly, you will get much better results, because there are two big improvements here. The first one is you will get more emails delivered, and you will book meetings with people that are actually your ICP. And the second thing is you are not spending emails and efforts in the wrong people, so it will be faster to finish that lead list and start with a new one. So yeah, guys, hope this is useful for you, and hope to see you inside WaLead.ai. Bye bye.